America's largest abortion provider is facing challenges on a number of sides. The Trump administration, Congress, and the Supreme Court are all considering measures that could diminish the abortion giant's power. CBN medical reporter Lori Johnson reports.
The Trump administration may soon freeze tens of millions of dollars in federal funding for groups providing abortions, including Planned Parenthood. As soon as this week, the Health and Human Services Department could announce a hold on more than $27 million in funds, a spokesperson told the Wall Street Journal. The department is reviewing grant recipients to make sure they comply with President Trump's executive orders and federal law. This year, the government was set to distribute $120 million in grants to organizations that deal with family planning.
This is good news. It's a good first step for defunding Planned Parenthood and taking actions to stop subsidizing abortion in our country. And when we look at what Planned Parenthood does every year in taking the lives of 400,000 unborn children in this country, that is the equivalent to the population of New Orleans.
Pro-life Congressman Chris Smith also supports the administration's plan to limit funds to Planned Parenthood. He's also seeking to help crisis pregnancy centers. Earlier this week, he introduced a bill to protect the more than 2,700 CPCs.
Some state governments, like my own state of New Jersey, and some lawmakers seek to discriminate against pregnancy care centers by violating fundamental conscience rights to compel complicity in abortion.
The Let Pregnancy Care Centers Serve Act protects the centers from retaliation for refusing to promote abortion.
Our Attorney General, Letitia James, she tried to shut down any pro-life pregnancy center from being listed on a Google search. So can you imagine the evil of someone that would do that?
This group says pregnancy resource centers have saved countless lives.
And when they do that, Planned Parenthood, the largest provider of abortion in the nation, loses profits and potential donors. As we know, pro-abortion government officials in several states are working side by side with Planned Parenthood to shut down the centers.
Meanwhile, next week, the U.S. Supreme Court will consider whether South Carolina can block Planned Parenthood from receiving Medicaid dollars.
South Carolina, supported by the U.S. government, agrees that states must have the authority to steward limited Medicaid resources toward providers that align with their values and serve their citizens' true healthcare needs.
The ruling is expected to be handed down this summer. Lori Johnson, CBN News.